Hi, this is Kathy again. Nice to see ya. We're here with my kitty Harley because this present is for him. Okay, this is his IAMS food that he absolutely loves. I couldn't get his normal brand, but he started liking this brand a lot. And it's a tad bit more expensive, but look, he's so adorable. How could you not, shell out extra money for Kitty? So this is the variety pack. And like I said, it's a few dollars more, but he's worth it. And he needed to change up. The other stuff that I was getting him wasn't quite up to par. So I think for Harley, say hi, Harley. You gonna say hi? Say hi, Harley. Look at that face. Okay. All right, so he's got his treat, and we're loving it, and it comes perfectly like this, and he's ready to eat it. So I better take off and give him some so he can try it. Okay? Take care. Until next time, I'll be seeing you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Smells bad too. Give me a bag.
Oh, careful, there's one on the side where your finger was.
Yeah.
Give me a bag.
A bag? Where's the bags? This one?
Yeah.
That's